What's up, team? For This again, Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Click Up My Canal. So today we are here to do another get ready with me, a really basic soft makeup look for dark skin. So I'm going to use my favorite eye base. This is the Girl eye primer. I really love this primer. I have been using it now all the time. I really love it, and I just like the way it holds my eyeshadows in place. I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush. I'm going to use that to blend. All of the brushes that I'm using here and sponges are Real Techniques slash AliExpress makeup brushes. Yes, that is what I'm using. That is what I'm going for. So today I'm going to play with this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. This is what I'm going for. I'm going for something very simple, something very basic, beginner friendly. So I'm going to take that dark purple, like a little bit dark brown with a warm undertone. I'm gonna put it on top of my eyelid. I'm just gonna put it all over and blend it very smoothly. I really love this palette. It is such a beautiful palette and I really like it. It's very natural, basic. Also, you can get some really glam makeup look out of this palette. But if you're somebody who is don't know much about makeup, instead of buying all of these expensive palettes, I feel like this palette is one you have to try it. If you're not good at makeup and you're just learning, do not waste your money and buy every single palette that comes out there. Makeup Revolution do have some really nice eyeshadow palettes which are very affordable, and the pigments are very beautiful. And this is one. This is really one. It's basic. You can get some really basic, glam, natural, whatever look you want to go for. So yeah, I'm just gonna play with this palette. Take that orange shade to transition. Now I'm going to take that dark brown, and when I say this dark brown is pigments, it's pigments. A little bit go a long way with the shadows in this palette. In any shadows you use as well, you just need to build your way up. Do not apply a lot of eyeshadows and then you're going to have the struggle of blending. You don't want that. I do not like that. So that's the reason I like to always go in with my eyeshadows little by little. So as you guys can see, the eyes is turning out really nice, very beautiful. I really like it. I love how the eyeshadow is looking. It's super nice. I love it. Very neutral, very warm. You guys know I love warm natural makeup look. So now I'm going to take this eyeliner and I'm going to line my eyes. This is the L'Oreal Paris eyeliner. It's the new one that I picked up, and I'm trying. I still can't find my favorite eyeliner in the store, which is the Maybelline. Yeah, Maybelline eyeliner. I don't know whether they don't have it anymore, but I can't find it in the store. So I'm using this for now, and I like the way it looks. It looks beautiful. So now we're just going to jump into the skin. I'm going to take this Maybelline Baby Face primer. I'm going to use this baby skin something, I don't know. I'm gonna use this to prime my face. So yeah guys, I braid my hair. Yes, we're going for the control. I braid my hair. My hair is so short, but yeah, I decided to braid it because I'm just tired of doing sleek and all that. So I'm going to take my favorite, which is the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in Sun Goddess. I feel like I don't need to call this name anymore because I've used it all of the time and you guys have seen this. You guys, I'd be like, Aminata and Sun Goddess are one. Yes, we are one, because it really gives me that Sun Goddess glow. And I use this all year long, okay? In the winter time, I use it mostly. I use it a lot in the winter because I need that extra glow on my skin when I get out of the house, because the cold will suck off all the oils and all the moist of your face, and I just need something to, you know, make my skin look beautiful. So now I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution concealer. I think this is the C17. I think C17, this is the darker shade, because I have this concealer just lying down. I don't use them to do cream contour. So I thought, you know what, since they kind of matches my skin as a foundation, why not just use them as foundation instead of just keeping them in the house and just putting them down there. I feel like I don't want to waste money. So you guys can see how it blends, how it matches my neck perfectly. So I'm just going to be using this concealer because I have like few of this shade lying down in the house that I picked up, and I'm not using it to do any cream control. So I'm going to be using them for foundation, and they're perfectly nice for foundation. Trust me, they're really good. So now I'm going to take the LA concealer. I think that is Cool Tan or Beautiful Bronze, one of those two. I'm going to use that to highlights. It's not that super bright, but I love that natural glow. And I'm just gonna take my Real Technique sponge. This is the big one that I bought. I did a video about that, and I really like the sponge. It's very easy, it's very fluffy, it's very big, so it blends things very easily. Everything just blends so smooth, and I really like it. This is my favorites. Real Technique sponge are my favorite sponges to use, and they're very affordable, they're very cheap, and they works perfectly. You know, I've learned these days to just work with the things I have. It's not everything that and everything that someone recommend to you, you go and buy it. If you have something that works for you, use it. Don't waste money on buying different products, because now we are in a crisis. Though I never really like to say I'm in a crisis, but the current situation we have, one has to be a little bit careful of your spending. You can't just spend, you know. You just have to save for the raining days. So yeah, if you have something that works for you, stay with it. That's the reason why I'm like, you know what, I'm cutting down on buying makeup for now, because a girl have some few things we're working on. I have a bunch of eyeshadow palette lying down in the house. I'm just going to be playing with them again, trying to create different looks, trying to do tutorial for you guys. If you guys have any makeup look that you guys want me to do, let me know in the comment box. I'll definitely want to try it. And I'm also looking around for other things to do. But so far, I love makeup. I love makeup tutorials. I love beauty. Like, I have so many things that I love to do, but beauty is one thing that I really love to do. I love just the makeup. I love to glam. Though I don't do it all the time. I don't do it every day. If I have the choice, you guys will never see me with makeup. But yeah, I just love it. You know, I love to do it, but it's not something that I do all the time. If you catch me outside, maybe there will be 20-30% chance that you catch me outside with makeup, if I'm not going to a party or maybe going out with friends, or it depends where I'm going. But most of the time, I just like to have my natural face. I like it. So now we're going to bronze. I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution bronzer. This is in Deep, and I really love this bronzer, you know. I really love it. It blends so beautiful. It's so nice into the skin. Just bring that warmness into my skin, which I really like. So I'm just going to use that to blend. I'm also going to use that to blend my forehead and a little my jawline, because your girl, my face is looking like puff. And I'm just going to blend that. Yes, I love that warmness on my face. I don't know, I just love that warm makeup. So now I'm just going to take that powder, that's sponge. I didn't take any powder, just whatever was on the sponge. I'm just going to put it, try to do a reverse contour, and yeah, I just love the way it looks. And now let's jump into the lips. Voila. What do you guys think of my contour? I feel like I did a good job. My hair is pretty short, you know, and my natural hair started to grow, and I don't want to relax my hair, so I thought, you know what, let me do some contour and maybe do some crochet braid later on, because if I leave it like this again for one more day, I feel like I'm gonna either cut everything off or relax everything again. And I don't want to be relaxing every month. It's crazy. So that's why I thought, let me do a protective hairstyle. Hopefully I will leave the protective hairstyle for more than a month, so that when I take it out, I will do something else. And then if I'm gonna continue relaxing my hair, I want to be relaxing my hair every 4-5 months, not every month. So yeah, I don't know, it's gonna be hard, you know. Maybe I'll just cut everything, just transition and then cut everything back to natural, because I feel like with this relaxing thing, it's headache, it's too much work. So now I'm just going to line my lip using my favorite lip liner, which is the KIKO lip liner. Yes, I love this lip liner. And I'm going to use the Essence lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. It's so beautiful. It's so natural. I love it. Yes, I just love the way this makes my makeup, the entire makeup, the lips, how everything looks. Just gonna fill it in so you guys can see. I want that lip to stand out. I want my lip to be the only thing on my face that you see. I'm just kidding. But I just love the way the lip gloss is looking, so I'm just gonna keep on applying. So now we're going to highlight, which I'm going to use my Sunkissed Bronzer. I'm gonna use this one to highlight. I really love this bronzer. I can't find this bronzer in the store. I bought this bronzer like a long time ago, and I've tried to like look for it to buy it separately. I can't find it, but I really like this one, and I love how Sunkissed, the name is just the same. Sunkissed Bronzer, it's just the same. You really get that Sunkissed glow, natural. That's the reason why whenever I want to go like for a natural soft makeup look, I go for this bronzer, because the name said it all. So yeah, this is the finished result. I hope you all like this video, and if you guys do, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video. So Team Fullest, this is the finished results. So tell me, what do you guys think of this makeup look? It's very simple, very natural. I really like it. So guys, this is the finished result. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. If you have any questions, let me know in de comment box. Heb je vragen? Laat me weten in de comment box. Alle informatie staat in de beschrijvingsbox. Vergeet niet te abonneren. Geef deze video duim omhoog als je deze video leuk vindt. En hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien op mijn volgende video. So yes, I braid my TWA. I braid my hair all back because your girl is about to do some crochet hairstyle, because in Holland, weather is getting cold. We're all the way cold. So I need something to protect my hair to keep me warm, because it's a little bit cold out there. So the next time you guys will see me, you guys will see me with a crazy hairstyle. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Team Fullest, thank you all so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all. Peace out. Bye.